brokers are a waste of money. They get a payout from the lenders so they don't have your best interest at heart, or they can test the market to get you the best deal. Are mortgage brokers really worth it? These are some of the things that I hear. Let's break it down in this video. I had a really interesting comment left on one of the videos recently, and I think it's a really worthwhile point and a really good point to discuss. They wouldn't go to a mortgage broker because they feel that they're a waste of money and they get a payout from the lender, and so therefore might not have your best interest at heart. Thank you so much for leaving that comment, because I think it's a really valid point and something that I really wanted to discuss on my channel. So I've just split it down into 3 main talking points. So the first talking point, do they just get paid off by the lenders? I do think this type of thing probably does happen behind the scenes. We don't know, we'll never know. I mean, I don't know personally whether it does or whether it doesn't happen. We should all do our research when we are going through what they're offering us, the rates, the deals and everything like that. Just go through it, skim through, or even get someone who's a bit more experienced to help you out. That's what I do as well, to just read through the mortgage offer and just make sure it's the right one for you. Don't get talked into anything. As I said, speak to people who've done this before, who have been offered similar things and who are maybe going through the process at the same time as well, to see what they've been offered and compare the two. And also just have a look at your circumstances, because everyone's circumstances are different. There might be something that a mortgage broker's offered to you and it might not be based solely on rates, it might be based on other things and benefits that plan will get you or that product will get you. So yeah, just really do your research to make sure that you are getting the best deal. Ask different people that are going through it, just so you can get a wide range of opinions on the product that you've been offered, so that you can help mitigate against this. And the next point, do they really have your best interest at heart? And again, this is why I say another thing, please do your research. If you are like me and you're planning on doing this for the long haul, you want to be a property investor and you're going to have to be going through this process over and over again. To me, I feel like then you're going to be a repeat customer. Now, you're going to go back to someone over and over. If they're offering you something because they're getting a kickback from the lender and it's not necessarily a good fit for you, then later on, obviously, it's going to come out in the woodwork. It will come out to you, and then you won't go back to them again. And obviously, as I said, if you're planning on being a fully fledged investor, if it's for a home purchase that you're staying in, it's a one-off thing that you're buying, you might not be able to sort of assess that well. If your situation is the same as myself and you are in this for the long haul, you are investing, you're going to be going through this process over and over again. After the experiences that you had, you're going to suss out if someone is just offering you something just for a kickback. You'll get the feel from it. Just really do your research, look into it, look into the reviews for the broker, look into things like that. Who, if somebody that's used it before, go to them, get their experience on it. Now, this leads me into my next point. Can you both make money? If you are an investor and you are planning to do this over and over and go through the process again and again, you would think it would be in the best interest of the broker to offer you something that's a good fit for you, because they'll be getting their commission, you're getting a good product, and then therefore you'll have this symbiotic relationship, so you'll keep going and going. You know, if you can both make money out of something that you're going to use or purchase or utilise anyway, then I don't really see whether there's anything wrong with that. But I don't know, pop in the comments what you think about that. In my case, my broker's been really good because they have actually helped me push through the sale as well. So it hasn't always been about, right, we're here to get you this deal, this product, this mortgage product, and then that's it. They actually help go through and push through the sale as well. So they'll help contact the estate agents if something's been held up. They'll help push things through with the solicitor. They'll help facilitate if you've got any queries about some of the forms that you may have to fill in for the solicitors, which I did, because obviously it'd be my first few times purchasing properties within a company name, so I needed help with that, and they were invaluable in helping with the whole process of the conveyancing process with the solicitor. I think it's not just focusing on the rate or the mortgage product that they're going to offer you. They can offer you a whole holistic service as well, which includes everything else that you might not necessarily think about. It is invaluable when you are going through the process. Just let me know your feelings and your thoughts on this. Comment below and see how you feel about using a broker. Do you think they're really worth it? Do you think they're worth their fees? Or do you think they aren't worth it? And I think there's good and bad in everything. So yeah, but I think this is a really good talking point. Personally, I do see the benefit of using a broker. Pop down in the comments how you feel about it. Please like, comment and subscribe, and watch this video next to help get you motivated on your property journey this year.